Guys, kung nag-cheat sa inyo ang partner nyo or kung niloloko kayo ng partner nyo, alam nyo ba na yung katawan natin ay nagbibigay ng signal sa atin?
And you know what? This is what I was talking about. Yung woman's intuition na hindi kayang mag-detect ng ibang bagay kundi yung pagloloko lang ng lalaki. They never detected kung ano yung kailangan ng lalaki. They never detected kung ano yung masakit. Ano yung dinadamdam ng mga lalaki, ano yung pinagdadaanan ng mga lalaki, at bakit sila umaakto ng ganon.
Na hindi siya yung tamang tao for us. Guys, all this time, we are divinely guided.
Alam nyo, yung modern feminist is very fond of finding the right person for them instead of trying to be the right person for the other. Because if you became the right person for the others, kahit hindi man sila yung makatuluyan nyo, you will have a great impact towards them. And it might trigger those improvements para maging better version nila. This is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.
This is Pinoy Extreme.